So I had a problem. I have been playing horror games for years, and I keep waiting for someone to make that game. You know, the supernatural experience, where you actually investigate, figure out what you are hunting, prepare the right ritual. But every horror game is either run and hide or shoot everything that moves. Investigation game exists, sure, but they are puzzle boxes with no real danger. Survival horror exists, but they are helpless by design. The game where you are a hunter who survives through knowledge and preparation, that doesn't exist. So I waited and waited and no one made it. And then I realized I am a machine learning engineer. I solve problems for a living. I write code every day. I have no idea how to make game, but how hard can it be, right? Yeah, I'm about to find out exactly how hard it is. But there is the thing. If I don't try to build this, I will be waiting forever for someone else to do it. And I'm tired of waiting. So this is me, figuring out Unity from scratch, learning game design by breaking things, trying to build something I would actually want to play. I don't know if this will work. I don't know if investigation horror can actually be fun instead of tedious. I don't know if I can even build the systems that I am imagining. But I am committing to find out. 2 years, weekly progress, public failures. No pretending I know what I'm doing. No hiding the mistakes. Just here is what I tried, here is what I broke, here is what I learned. If you want to watch someone stumble through game development, figure out what works by repeatedly discovering what doesn't, stick around. This is Hunter Road, and I genuinely have no idea where this is going. Trash. I built a first-person setup with Unity new input system, smooth WASD movement, proper ground detection, crouch, jump, clean mouse look, modular from the start so I don't hate myself later. Then came the flashlight, because wandering through a dark hospital without one will get you a lawsuit. The environment is pure grey box. Some post-press, no art yet. The goal was simple. If moving around doesn't feel good, nothing else matters. 15 hours to get this right. Worth it or no? Seriously, I don't know. But everything I built will be based on this, so I had to do it right. Week 2 was about turning this into an investigation game instead of a walking simulator. I built a Raycast system. Look at something, crosshair change, press E, it reacts. Doors have physics-based opening. Instant doors feel fake. This take a second and it creates tension. Next were clues. Each one is a scriptable object with a name, description, category. Pick it up and it will be logged in your journal. You press tab, it opens your journal. You will see all the evidence that you gathered. We have 4 categories: physical evidence, witness info, supernatural signs, research note. You will use these to identify the entity. And yes, misidentifying it and probably your ritual will fail, or you will have a harder time defeating the monster. No saves coming your way out. 2 things I didn't build: flashlight battery drain and audio system. Battery system usually feel like busy work. Find battery, use light, find battery, repeat. It's shallow. If I had resource management later, it will be meaningful. Something like the light will attract entities, creating a risk-reward choice, not just padding runtime. Audio is 50% of horror atmosphere, but bad audio is worse than silence. I am waiting until vertical slice is playable, then hiring a contractor for a proper sound design pass. Freesound.org placeholder effect aren't going to be enough for this. Every hour counts when you are solo. I am optimizing for systems that prove the core look works, not polish the look for a good trailer. It will be environment design. I am greyboxing a small hospital, 2 floors, 1 basement, 10 to 15 rooms. This is where investigation happens. I need a design space that supports the core loop: explore, find clues, prepare, confront. Room layout: create tension, hiding spot, sideline for a stalking enemy AI coming in week 4. No art asset yet, just cubes, lightning, until the layout feels right. You can't fix bad spatial design with pretty texture. The goal is a 30-minute playable loop by end of month 2. One complete case: enter hospital, investigate, identify the ghost, perform the ritual, deal with the consequences. If that core experience isn't fun, the rest doesn't matter. This is a 2-year project. I am posting every week: wins, failures, stupid mistake, design decision that break everything. If you want to follow along, subscribe. I am not sugarcoating this. Solo dev is hard, and most projects die in months 3 when reality hits. Will I be the exception? I don't know. Next video is about building the hospital, playtesting the investigation loop, probably rebuilding half of it when it doesn't work. Thanks for watching. See you next week.